Namaste and welcome to Reverence. So, this is the second part in the meditation basics. This session is what is meditation? I will keep it very short because we have some supporting videos like Panchakosha, etc. Do visit that. In this session, what exactly is meditation? This video is mainly for beginners. So, let's understand. Now, in the last video, we saw the challenges. What are the challenges, right? You have many thoughts in your mind, the surrounding is disturbing, the dogs are barking, the kids are noisy in the home, the body is aching, body is paining, I cannot focus. These are the challenges. Now, what is meditation? Meditation is simply accept everything. Whatever challenge you have, at this point in time, just accept everything. Accept the thoughts coming into the mind. Be okay with it. Just observe and let go. The sounds are coming, the noises are coming. Take your attention there. Observe what is happening and let go. The body is aching. Take your attention to that part of the body. Take a deep breath in. Focus the breath there and just bear it for some time. Accept the pain and let go. So you will see the common feature here is observe, accept and let go. That is meditation. So whatever is happening and you are coming to the present moment. The mind is always in the future. We are thinking about, in the future, you have some activities, some meetings tomorrow, something important to do, right? Or in the past, something has happened, you have guilt about it, you have fear about it, or something. You are dwelling into the past and future like a pendulum. But we are hardly into the present moment. So meditation is coming into the present moment, right here, right now. And when we are into the present, you are experiencing lot of things which are into the other dimension. Because what happens is the things are happening, things are in front of you, but the attention is not there, you are not in the present, so you are missing lot of things. So here in meditation, you get an opportunity to be part of the present. So what is meditation? Meditation is being in the present, accepting, observing and letting it go. As simple as that. Now, you understood challenges and you understood what is meditation. So what else do we need? I mean, there is nothing rocket science, we don't have to study a lot. We just have to practice. Because meditation is all about practice. See, they say the muscles, the body is gained through efforts. So we go to gym, we go to jogging, we put lot of efforts to gain the muscles and the body. But the meditation is effortless. There is no effort. Just relaxation, just settle your mind. So that the strength of a mind is gained effortlessly. And that is meditation, guys. You are totally relaxed, you totally let go, and just you sit quietly, effortlessly, and that inaction is meditation. See, mind always likes action. All the time, it wants activities. And you cannot stay quietly without any activity. So meditation stops you for some time. It puts you into inaction mode and then you become silent, you become quiet, you become relaxed, and that is meditation. Now what is sleep? Sleep is also a form of meditation which has been inbuilt into your system by the nature. So what happens, like when you go to sleep, you also, you get a lot of thoughts, you get some to-do list that okay, tomorrow morning I need to do this, I today, and then you introspect on the day, I had done this, I had this party, and so you have thoughts, then your body will be aching, so you relax, you stretch, and then you just be there in that state, and then you move from conscious to unconscious, and then you be there for 6 hours and 8 hours. And what happens, like let's say you have a lower back pain before you went to sleep, and next day morning you wake up without that pain. Now what has happened? The infinite intelligence within you, right, in the form of meditation, right, it has fixed all those issues, it has attended to those problems, it went right there, fixed your issue. So meditation is same, but it's conscious effort. In sleep you are unconscious, you are not aware about your body, you are not aware about your mind, intellect is sleeping, right, you're not aware about your own existence. In meditation you are conscious, you are aware about your body, it is relaxing, you are aware about your mind, you are attending to the thoughts and it is settling down, you are attending to the energy, your intellect, you have a lot of questions, right, intellect in the meditation, and you just accept the question, let go, postpone it. So it's a conscious relaxation. Rather than becoming unconscious, it's a conscious. And they say a 20 minutes of effective meditation is equal to almost couple of hours of sleep. So sometimes people feel, if you meditate like 1 hour, 2 hour, you might have 4 to 6 hours of sleep, which is pretty normal. I have been sleeping for hardly 6 hours, 5 years for last 6-7 years without any issues. Because if you meditate more, it has already taken care of, all the relaxation and cleaning mechanism. So see, on the lower plane of, understanding, meditation is mostly, it heals your body, it heals your mind, it resolves all those issues. But at the higher plane of thoughts, meditation is something which takes you from the gross body to the subtle bodies and causal bodies, and you transcend, So they say there are 4 states of consciousness: sleeping, waking, dreaming, and super consciousness, state of super consciousness. So in waking you are active, you are dreaming, your mind is still active, and we sleep where there is no dream. But in all these 3 states, you are still not in the form of super state of consciousness where you transcend. So transcending to that state of consciousness, that Brahman, it's a higher objective, or higher plane of thought here in the meditation. So in the lower plane, I am saying it is to fix your body, mind, etc. And if you want to go deeper, these are the benefits where you transcend beyond, and then you can feel your true existence, who you are. You can get established into that self. Shri Shri says, relax and repose into yourself. So reposing into that self for some moments is meditation. That is all about meditation, guys. So stay tuned. We will have a demo in next a part where I explain how to meditate, and we meditate together. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you so much.